So this is November 22nd. I just washed the Clarity the first time since the accident. I'm getting it ready for the body shop. It's going in today. And the Clarity is looking very good. Got it all nice and shiny. Coming around to the back where the accident, where the rear ender happened. Now the fender looks good, but there's one thing that doesn't show up in the video or the picture. There is a little kink right here in this body panel. And I have tried and tried to get that thing. You can see it in the reflection maybe. Right here, right where the bumper, yeah, I see it. It comes all along here.
But
now on this side has a perfect reflection. There's no ripples in that reflection. Got it all nice and shiny. Of course, body shops probably get your car all dirty, but hey, I want them to see that I take care of this car, and hopefully they'll take care of this car. So here we are. Clarity is getting ready to go to the body shop. They just called and confirmed. It's 2 months after the accident. So there's no dings, dents, or scrapes anywhere else before it goes in the body shop. All it needs is the back taken care of. So let's take it to the body shop. Hey guys, so I'm here at the Val Ward Body Shop dropping off the Honda Clarity. Let's see, there's the Honda Clarity right there in the background. And I am so excited to be getting this car fixed. It's been a long time coming. It's been about 2 months waiting for parts, and it's finally at the body shop. So let's get this show going. Looking all nice and clean. And the poor back end damage here hanging down is not a good thing. And there is the Clarity. Dropped off, signed and delivered, cleaned and ready to go.